I'm just going to say it. This woman literally saved my life in so many ways. And
That's natural bodybuilder and online fitness coach Danny Dunaski talking about how he used my diverticulitis protocol and supplements to heal his diverticulitis and get into the best shape of his life. I'm Julia Loggins, a gut coach and colon therapist of over 40 years. I'm not a doctor. I've helped thousands of people heal and shrink diverticulitis pockets, and yes, it's possible. And when you watch that whole video, you'll see what a compelling story Danny has, a story of his healing and getting into shape. And when I saw that video, I had no idea he was making it, but I was so touched by what an inspiring coach he is, what a warm and engaging person he is, that I knew I wanted to collaborate with him. And so we have created something for you that offers you both the diverticulitis protocol and the opportunity to get into the best shape of your life from the privacy of your own home. And that is the Men's Gut Health Bundle. And that offers you a professional coaching session with me and also online coaching with Danny. As I said, in the privacy of your own home. You don't have to have a gym. You don't have to own a bunch of fancy equipment, but Danny will help you get into shape, even if you haven't gotten off the couch in 10 years, because Danny knows how to do it. He's the most inspiring coach. He's so warm. He makes things so easy. And being strong on the inside and the outside is so important to both me and him, for everyone that we care about, for our whole community, that we wanted to create this gut health bundle for you. You'll find it at the link in my bio. If you have any questions, just send me a direct message or reach out to Danny. We are here for you. We are so excited for you to heal and to get into the best shape of your life. Another goal that Danny and I had was to make the Men's Gut Health Toolkit so cost effective and give you so much that you would be able to do it with a partner, a friend, a sister, a brother, a best buddy, because it's wonderful to be able to work out, get into shape, and do a healing journey with someone right alongside you. And because you will get everything you need in this one package, the formulas you need, the products you need, you get Danny and I walking you through step by step. It makes it even easier for you to do this with someone else. We wanted to give you enormous value. We wanted to show up for you basically right over the phone, right in a Zoom call, as Danny's going to do, because he's going to walk you through how to get into shape, and he's going to create a fitness program just for you. The app that Danny's created is so easy to use. If you have never used a fitness app before, you're going to love this one. So Danny and I are both here for you. We are so excited to walk through this with you. We're so excited to offer this to you. We've never done anything like this before, to be able to offer a fitness journey as well as helping you heal your gut and get into the best shape of your life. It's a 1 in a million lifetime chance. So we are so excited to do this with you. You can sign up right here, right at the link that you're going to find. Let's go.